Good day. So a Renault Master, are you having this problem? Switch your hand. There's your top of door sticking out. Your right hand side, top of door. I've adjusted mine. I'll show you how to do it. When it rains, it leaks in that corner. I'll show you what to do. So the first thing you want to do is get yourself a T30. There we go, T30, one of them. Just inside your door here, you see this bar here. See if I can get you in. There is, one sec. There we go. 2 bolts there. Undo them, push this bar back in as far as it goes, tighten them up. Then you want to go to your lock there. This lock, when you undo them, they go up or down. This lock will move up or down. You want to adjust it. You'll get out. Come on. So, when it shuts, that goes around that bar there. If you notice that plastic what's around that bar is worn out, that could be your problem as well. So yeah, you want to just adjust it. Let me see if I can get it to just grab. You see that? You want it so when that bar there, well, when your lock is up position, that is tucked around that nice and snug, and that will pull this in. So yeah, that's how easy it is. It will stop the leaks from this corner. So yeah, undo them two there, push that bar in, tighten it back up, make sure that one is, so when that is pushed up like that, the bar is actually sat nice and snug in there. Yeah, hope that helps. So like I say, make sure that bar there, we've got this door, it's not worn. If it is worn, just replace it. They're quite cheap, pick them up off eBay. Mine's pretty alright, but if you want it just to bodge it up, stick some tape or some plastic round there just to make sure it pulls it in nice and tight. But like I say, you want to just undo them, push it in. Try that first. If it is this corner what's out, you need to adjust this bar. Make sure your track is nice and tight. You want to just adjust this. Look here, you've got a nut on the end here. Make sure that's pushed right in. Tighten it up, and it will pull this door, that corner, in nice and tight as well. So I hope that's helped you out. Just a quick vid just to show people how to do it, as I've seen a few comments on these forums. At the top of the door is sticking out and rain's getting in, especially with the bad weather what we're having at the moment. So yeah, catch you next time, stay safe.